Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today I also discuss from the books of the M.L. Agrawal. Okay, Trigonometry, heights and distance. M.L. Agrawal edition is books edition is supposed to be 2025 exercise 20 class 10 I.C.S.E. The two sums are there already written. These are 24 and 25. Very easy sum. Just to concept must be clear. Drawing is very important. Let's start in which way solve it. Okay, the first thing, the angle of elevation of a pillar. Okay, no problem. You already know all these things. Actually, all are the right angle triangle. Okay, the angle of elevation of a pillar from a point. Suppose if this is a pillar, the angle of elevation of a pillar from a point A on the ground. From a point, suppose here is a point A on the ground. Elevation means this is actually this. That means this you see in this way. Actually, the drawing is this. This is 45 degree. So this must be 45 degree. Okay. Clear? It's clear? Now suppose this is the C and this is the B. Okay. So C is the pillar. Each and every time I just repeated you, each and every time you repeat the sum, the angle of elevation of a pillar from a point A of the ground is 45 degree, no problem. Elevation means in this way, you just see in this way. And okay, from a point B diametrically means this straight board, diametrically opposite to A on the other side. So this one, other side of the pillar, this is suppose 60 degree. That means this actually alternate angle, this is 60, this 60. Okay, just to write it here extra. Okay. So this is B. This is the B. Okay, pillar. Find the height of the pillar. Height means this is H, suppose. Given the distance between AB, distance between them, that means from here to here, that is 15 meter. Drawing is very important. First, this is the drawing. This is the drawing. Now height the pillar. In which way? So these are trigonometrical thing. So these are right angle triangle, this one. So this is tan of 45 degree. Okay, tan of 45. What is this? Tan of 45 means perpendicular by base. Suppose this is x. Suppose this is x. So this one is 15 minus x because this whole is 15. So this is x. So this is 15 minus x. That means dv. And AD is x. Okay. So tan 45. So h by x. You know tan 45 is 1. H by x. So h is equal to x or x is equal to h. Same thing. X is equal to h is this. Okay. First part is complete. Now on the pillar side. So in this way, this also, and this also the angle of elevation. Now tan 60 means in that angle, particularly in this angle CDB. Okay, tan 60 means this also be h by 15 minus x. Okay, what's the value of tan 60? Root 3. You know, this is h minus 15 minus x. So which one you find out? Find out the height. Height means h. So h is there. So x is out. So in place of this, you write this is root 3. This is h by 15 minus. In place of x, you write h. No problem. Now this is actually root 3 bracket is okay. 15 minus h, that is equal to h. So this is, I just write down here. So I just write here. Okay. So root 3 into 15 minus this is root 3h is equal to h. Is okay? Is okay? So this is root 3 means 1.732. 1.732 into 15, that is equal to, this is root 3 h plus h. Okay, What is the calculation? This is the calculation is 1.732. 1.732 into 15, that is 25.98. 25.98. And that is, if this is, there is h is common, this is root 3 plus 1. So h root 3 means 1.732 plus 1. So h, this is 2.732 ultimately, and this is equal to 25.98. Okay, I just use the other pen. Okay, it's clear. Now what is the value of h? So h is equal to actually 25 9.8 by this 2.732. This clear? If this shifted, multiply. So what is the value of this? What is the value of this? Is okay? 9.51. The value of h is 9.51. Here is the meter. So this is the meter. So this is the answer. It's clear to you? Very easy. It's clear to you? First thing, don't be panic. You draw the maths. This is a very important, this is a very practical thing. Okay? You first draw the map. Then if the drawing is correct, you just progress in this way. Nothing you know it. Okay? And two triangle you select. Which one you triangle you select? That is, and you know the value of this. Okay? It's clear to you? 9.51 is the answer. Okay? Now the next sum. Very interesting. This is a different pattern. I just see you the different pattern. Okay? Okay. The next sum. Very interesting. And this is a particular sum. I just solve you. This is actually the trigonometrical sum here, the height and distance. It's maybe the similarity you know in case of the geometry of the class 10. I just show you the two ways. In place, this is the exercise, the trigonometry. Now, first one, I just show you in the geometrical way. Just you see. A man, there is a similarity actually. You just solve in the similarity way. A man 1.5 meter high stand. Suppose a man, this is 1.8 meter. Suppose this is a man 1.8 meter high stand at a distance a meter from the lamp. Here is the lamp. So this is actually lamp post. Okay. So 3.6 meter. This is the lamp post. This is the lamp post. Suppose the height of this lamp post is h. Suppose this is c. Is okay. Is okay. Now, and cast a shadow. So these are the lamp post. The light is coming from there. In case of physics, you know. Okay. So this is the obstruction. The shadow is from here. Shadow 5.4. This is a physics actually. The shadow form. So this is E. Now you just draw. Okay. This is the actual drawing. A light is here. The obstruction, the shadow is formed. This man height and this shadow is formed. Now, find the height of the lamppost. That means you find out the age. So first I solve here in the process of the similarity. In case of the similarity, actually the two similar triangles is formed. Here is two triangles. Suppose triangle ABE, where B is the 90 degree, and other triangle is CD. In this way, just you solve. The math is very interesting thing. You just solve the different way. Here is actually special in the height and distance. I'll just show you. But here is, you just geometrically you solve it. Okay? It's clear? Now, the concept must be clear. In case of the similarity, if the two triangles are similar, in which way? This triangle and this triangle are similar. Then, first one, in this triangle, this angle is 90, this angle is 90. Two separate triangles, CDE. This angle actually is common in that triangle also and in that triangle also. Two triangles are equal. Now the other angle, that means this angle and this angle must be equal, because you know sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Clear to you? No problem. Now these are similarity. In which you prove which side is equal to which side? Dekho. This is the B, right angle triangle. This is the E, this is, and this is A. And in case of this other triangle, in that triangle, so this is D actually, this is the right angle. Same order. This is 90, this is 90. This is E, there is also this is E. So this is C. So two triangles are similar. This angle equal to this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle. So what is the rule of the similarity? The sides ratio are same. That means you write AB by CD. That is equal to B by D, and the same as AE by C. Now, which one is known to you? Which one is known to you? This is AB, and this you just find out H, so you take it. AB is 1.8, CD is H. Now, which one you know? BE and BD. DE you know, BE is 5.4. Now, DE means this and this. Actually, 5.4 plus 3.6, 9. This is D means full. So this is DE 5389. Okay. Now, in other way. Now, these actually, in case here, H from here. So if this into this 1.8 into 9 by 5.4, you just shift from here to here and here to here. So this is H, this is cross. Now 1.8 into 9 and this 5.4 is clear to you. Now if you shift it, this actually 3 and 339. So what is the value of height of the flag post? H 3 meter. This is from the similarity. Is okay to you? Very interesting. I just show you the different way. This is a geometrical proof, geometrical way, similarity, and other I just here put in the trigonometrical. This is the heights and distance. This is clear to you or not? But that means you know the answer. This height is 3. It's clear to you now. I just draw same drawing. আমি এখানটা একটুখানি পুছে দিচ্ছি, this one. Okay. Same thing, same drawing. So suppose this heights of the man. This is heights of the man. Suppose this is C.B. You write the other drawing. Suppose this is এটাকে একটু কমিয়ে নি, তাহলে ড্রয়িং করতে সুবিধা হবে। ওকে, this is C.B. Okay, so this is AB. এখানটা একটু পুছে দিই। Okay, okay, AB. This is actually the lamp post. And the shadow is from here. So this is actually F যদি করি, আমি এটাকে ড্রয়িং করি, no problem. The drawing is clear now. So man's height, a man 1.8. This is 1.8 meter. This is man. CD, actually CD, you just write CD is a man. Okay, AB, lamp post for better understanding. Okay, FD, shadow. What is the cast of the shadow? Shadow is 5.4. What is the distance at the meter? And this is BD is 3.6 meter. Is okay to you? Clear? Suppose the angle is formed, this is theta. Is okay to you? The angle is formed, suppose this is theta. If this is theta, that means actually the angle of elevation from you right, this is theta. If you just draw here, so this is also 3.6 meter. Suppose this is E. Okay. If this is 1.8, so this one also 1.8. Suppose the height is H or X. Suppose this is AB. AB is H or X. So this one AE is actually total is X. So X minus 1.8 is okay. This is the drawing. Drawing is very important. Is okay. If the drawing is perfect, the maths will be okay. Now, this is theta, this is theta. So here actually a point is there. This is C. So this also theta because the vertically opposite angle. That means here is a triangle, here is a triangle. It's clear to you? It's clear to you? Now first one, two triangles. You take CDF in that triangle. What is this? Tan theta. Tan theta means perpendicular by base. So this is 1.8 by 5.4 cut. So 3. Tan theta, what is the value of tan theta? 1.8 by 5.4. This is 3. Is clear to you? In that triangle. Now here is a triangle. Right angle triangle must be, this is 90. This is 90. So triangle, this is AEC in that triangle, AC. This is also tan theta. So you just write this tan theta, this tan theta, this is AE by CE. You know the tan theta value is 3, put here. What is the value of AE? Actually X minus 1.8. Very interesting, 1.8. Now CE, what's the value? This is 3.6, so this must be 3.6. Is okay? Is okay? Oh, this is wrong here. Actually, one thing is very important. This is the mistake. Very important thing. This is the mistake. Actually, this and this 1 by 3. Here is 1 by 3. This is the mistake. In the exam hall also, you just recheck each and every time. Very interesting. Okay. This is 1 and this is 5.4. This is the 1 by 3. So this. So now the solve. 3, this one, 3 bracket x minus 1 by 8. In that way the mistake occur. Okay. Be careful. আমি এখানে কথা বলতে বলতে অঙ্ক করাচ্ছি, that is certain mistake, but concentration in the mathematical calculation also very important. Is okay to you? Now, so this is 3x. This is 3x minus 5.4. This is 3.6. So 3x equal to 3.6 plus 5.4. So 13.9. So what is the value of x? 9 by 3. This is the answer. You take AB. AB is x. AB means this full. A and B. This is full. So 3. So this also 3 here. What is the answer? 3. Height. The height is 3 meter. This is 3 meter. The same. The math, in which way you just do it. If the process is right, the answer must be equal. This is the way for the geometry. Similarity. Through similarity, I solve it. And this is the way for the height and distance in the trigonometry. It's okay. I just show you the two different way. Okay? Clear to you? So, this is very much mistake. Just okay. Be careful. 1 by 8 by 5.7, 1 by 3. So, you put the value 1 by 3. You just cross. You just cross 3 into this. You write here. And this is 3.6. 3x. This is 5.4. You just shift. Pass the 9. So, 3x. 3x equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 by 3. So 3 is the answer, 3 meter. Is okay to you? So clear? I just try my best to solve it in the easier way and to different way. Okay? Is clear to you? Very interesting. Okay? So this for today. If you just understand, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you, student. Thank you for today. And next day, I just upload the different video. Okay? Thank you, student.